Hello, this is the demo video for WEx team's Digirupt Prototype. A quick background about the application. Team WEx believes that new age waste management solutions could seek to help businesses and industries not only reduce waste significantly but also open up new business opportunities. The platform that I will demonstrate today would aim to show you how this platform would connect key stakeholders in the waste management chain. So these stakeholders would be sellers and consumers of waste byproducts with one another on a common platform. In a simple sense, this is to help them transact. The waste or output of one industry becomes the raw material of another industry. The happy path of this vision is what we aim to show in this prototype. On our home page, as you can see, we have captions for different industries that we would aim to attack. Plastics is a big industry that we would hope to disrupt, and metals, papers, etc. Coming to our process, the first part of our process is the login and registration process. So on clicking sign up, there's a quick registration process that captures username, display name, phone number, email, and helps you set up a password and the organization that you aim to work for. For convenience, we've set up a login already for Sujit Jagadar. Let's go ahead and log in. So this is the home page for any user. Just to talk you through what's happening on the profile page for this person. There are responses that he can look at for posts that he's already done. There's a carbon credit score that will be based on a calculation of based on transactions that a user has done. Order book would have details of transactions that the user has interacted with, and special offers are either coupons that we believe will be valid specifically to his particular industry, or tax rebate opportunities that the platform is currently working on building. So for the happy path, let's go directly to the inventory where we believe that this particular user can put up something for sale. So the first few icons here are about selecting what kind of industry that the user would like to select particularly. Let's go ahead with construction for now. Building material is something is the item that he'd like to put up, and some nails, for example, or maybe wood. The quantity is open right now. So if we assume that he's going by kilos, let's put 100 kilos of any type of wood. In further additions that we are trying to do would have much more detail in terms of what these items and products would be. So it would not just be your basic wood. We would have, level 2, level 3 details about plywood and so on. The user can choose to put up a unit price before he puts it up, or further additions we are looking at would also allow the user to put it up as an auction. Currently we're just putting up as a direct sale opportunity. So let's assume that per unit he puts up 20 rupees in INR. The addition adds this material directly to his inventory. Ostensibly adding any item to his inventory also puts up this item in the store. So basically because he's added the unit price directly, this item is put up for sale for any buyer that will be visible to any buyer on the store. So as you can see, the category, subcategory, material, quantity and unit price are noted down, and let's go ahead and add it to inventory. So now that our record is updated successfully, we're going to go log out for this particular user. And what we're going to do is log in with a different user. So what this should help us, what this should help tell us is a different user logging in should be able to see the items that our friend Sujit Jagadar has put up, and also purchase that particular item on the platform and add it to his and make payments. So let's go directly to the store for Rushil Ahuja, who we are assuming is going to be a buyer. Rushil selects his category as construction. So let's go down and we can see that there are several items here that have been put up for sale. Further additions for us would show that this particular product item, which is wood, we have a seller information of Sujit Jagadar. Now, Sujit Jagadar need not be the only person selling wood. It's quite possible that we would have several different lists, items that would, several different sellers who are putting up the wood piece. So let's go ahead and add this to cart, I think this particular user Rushil is just going to pick up the one item. We will go to cart, and that's the quantity there, the total price and so on. He can remove this item if he wants to, but let's confirm the order for Rushil. Let's keep him happy. So the proceed to payment aspect has been left open for now. We are going to get to that feature by partnering with some of the wallets to help make payments, or a direct cash payment if possible. Some of the other features that we will be handling is in the inventory, where the user adds, where a seller adds different items. If he sees that there is a particular type of material that he is not seeing there, we'll be adding a builder option so that he can create, he can add new material to our master that he doesn't see there. So that's going to be the builder feature that we will add on going forward. That's our happy path for the product here. Some of the other things that we hope to add would be analytics and things like sellers in your area and your total carbon credit score based on the items that you've transacted upon. Those are some analytics that we feel would be crucial to people using this platform. Finally, the last aspect of the product would be facilitating, by us being the middleman, facilitating a smooth, safe, reliable transportation of these materials. So that's another aspect of the business that we're hoping to accomplish in based on our business model getting funded. That's it for this demo. Thank you for watching.